Hi, this is Karthik. In this session, I am going to teach you how to use header and footers. Let me see what are the objectives we are going to cover in this session. First one is insert the same header or footer on each page. Make the first page header or footer different from the rest of the pages. Use no header or footer on the first page. Make the header or footer different for odd and even pages. Make the header or footer different in each section or chapter. Change the content of a header or footer. Insert a page number. Insert the file name of the document. Insert the document title, author name or other document property. Insert the current date. Remove the header or footer. So these are the objectives we are going to cover through this presentation. Let me see what is an header and footer. Header and footer are areas in the top, bottom and side margin of each page in a document. You can insert or change the text or graphics in headers and footers. For example, you can add page numbers, the time and date, a company logo, the document title or file name or author name. This diagram can able to see here, this is called as header and this part is called as an footer. So insert the same header or footer on each page. Microsoft Word 2010 include many pre-designed headers or footer that you can insert into your document, or you can create a header or footer from scratch. For example, you can use page number, file name, document title, author name or other document properties and correct date. So we can see how to insert header and footer. So for this I am using Microsoft Word 2010. So go to insert. Here is an header and footer. You just click on the top of the page. Here comes your header section and this is called as an design tab, where you can able to see header, footer, page number, date, time, quick parts, picture, clip arts. Go to footer or header. See, either you can move it. If you are having multiple pages, you can use previous or next. If you want to give different header and footer for first page, yes, that can be possible. Use this option. If you want to give different header and footer for odd and even pages, yes, that can be possible. Use these options. So here type something. You type here and close the header. So now we can able to see the header. If you want to use the predefined headers, Microsoft design a predefined header, a collection of predefined headers. Go to page layout, go to insert and header. So these are the predefined themes which are available for headers. Either you can pick any one of the theme as you like. You pick it, automatically comes right here. You provide the requirements. For example, you type your file name, yes, and if you want you can pick the date. If you want to pick the date, here you can able to pick the date, some date, and close the header. So this is how we can able to customize the header and footer within a single page. Add a page number to an existing header and footer. So how to add this? On insert tab in the header and footer, we will click page numbers and click the current position. Choose the page number, design from gallery of design. Note, if you don't see gallery of page number design, there might be a problem with the building blocks template on your computer. See, I don't see gallery of page number, header and footer, cover page or equation or information about how to fix this problem. So if you want to insert the page number, here is the page number. Either you can insert the top of the page or bottom of the page or page margin or current position as you like. You can able to insert. See, now the page number has been inserted. So this is how we can able to insert the page number. If I need the page number on bottom of the page, yes, use this, it comes down. Add header and footer content to pre-formatted page number design. So on insert tab, header and footer group, click page number. So if you want to insert the page number for multiple pages, I'm going to use Control Enter for page break. See, automatically if you insert the page number, automatically the page number will come for all the pages. Add header or footer content to pre-formatted page number design. Click top of the page margin, page, bottom of the page or page margin depending on where you want page number to appear in your document. Second, choose a page number design from your gallery of design. Note, choose a design that position the page number where you want it. For example, if you want some header content aligned to left margin and the page number aligned to right margin, choose the right alignment and page margin. See here, if you want to insert, you select a page, you select the header and footer, and here is the page number. If you want top or page margin or bottom, you can select as you like. Yes, see here, now the page number is inserted. This is how you want to insert the page number. So do one of the following. To insert the header or footer content before the page number, press Home key, enter the content and press the tab to position the content. To insert header or footer content after the page number, press the N key, press tab and then enter the content. If you change the design from the page margin design, click the header or footer and add the content that you want. See, if you want to customize the header and footer, what you have to do, here go to insert, here is a header, here is option called as edit header. You can able to edit it or else you can able to customize it. Insert the document title, author name or document property. So let me see how to insert the document name or property or something else, or document. This is called as document property. So if you want to insert the document property right here, place your cursor right here and go for quick paths, and I will open a new word. Click the header part, quick paths, add document property. Yes, you can add it. So this is how you can able to add new things. Okay, so this is how we can able to add the new property designs or page property, something whatever you like, you can able to add it. Use tab to move the position and place the cursor. If you want to add any other, go to quick parts, document property, commands. You can add the commands and you can take the commands. You give commands right here. If you want to move it, use tab. And if you want some other document property, you want a company address, company email, yes, you can allow, you can do as you like. So this is called as property, where we can able to insert the quick properties, that is insert document title or author's name or other document properties. Insert the current date. If you want to insert the current date, how? Place the cursor where you want to insert the date in header or footer. Under header and footer tools, on design tab, in insert group, click date and time. In the available format list, click the format in which you want the date to appear. Let me see. If you want a date, place the cursor where you want the date and click the date and time. So the date and time dialog box will appear. In this, select the date and time as you like and press OK. Automatically date will come. So remove the header or footer. So click anywhere on your document on Insert tab in the header and footer group. Click header and footer and click remove header or footer. So if you want to remove, how to remove the header and footer, go to Insert, Header, and here is the option called as remove header. Once you press it, automatically all headers will be removed. If you want to remove the footer, go to Footer and remove footer. It will remove all the footer from the current document. Insert predefined headers or footers. So here there is a term called as predefined. So if you want to insert the predefined header or footer, you select the in Insert tab, go for headers. So these are predefined header and footer format. You can able to insert as you like, and if you want to insert footer, yes, you can use predefined function as you like, and you can able to insert it. So if you want to remove the header and footer, again go to Insert tab, go to header and click remove header. The header will be removed. If you want to remove footer, press footer and press remove footer. Automatically all footers will be removed. So next is insert a custom header and footer. Yes, if you want to customize the header and footer, yes, it is possible. So go to header, so Insert tab, go to header. Here you will be having edit header. You can edit, you can customize as you like. And if you want pictures, you can insert pictures. Any pictures, yes, you can insert the pictures. If you want clip arts, yes, use clip arts. So as per the user requirements, we are able to customize. We can able to, for example, if I need this, double click it, see, it will come. So this is how we can able to customize the header or footer as we like. So make the first page header and footer differ from the rest of the pages. On the first page of the document, double click the header and footer area. Under header and footer tools, on Design tab, the option group, select the different first page checkbox. Note, if your document includes a cover page, from the gallery of cover page in Office 2007 or 10, the different first page option is already turned on. Inserting or editing header and footer on this page does not affect the other pages in the document. Create a header and footer and make changes to the existing document or footer on the first page. And create odd and even headers or footers in a document that does not yet use the headers and footers. If you want to use different header and footer for odd and even pages, yes, that can be done. How? Click an odd number page, such as the first page of your document. On Insert tab, in the header and footer group, click the header and footer. In gallery of the header and footer, click the design labeled odd pages and even pages. Under header and footer, on the Design tab, navigation group, click next section to advance the cursor to the header or footer for even numbered pages. Under header and footer tools, on the Design tab, in the header and footer groups, click header and footer. In gallery of the header or footer, click the design labeled even pages and odd pages. So note, if necessary, you can format the text in the header or footer by selecting the text and using the formatting option on Office Fluence mini toolbar. If you want to switch to different predefined headers or footers, repeat these steps and choose a different header and footer from gallery. So now we will see how to use different headers and footers for odd and even pages and for first pages. So I am going to use new document. So here I am going to show the difference how to use a different header and footer for first page and hot page. So I'm going to type a content. So I'm going to have multiple pages using page break. Control enter. So now I'm having 6 pages. Now I'll teach you how to use different header and footer for first page and odd and even page. Yes, click the header part. Here is the option in design. There is an option called as different first page and different odd and even page, and you paste the content. This is for first page, and close it and go to odd. That is here, use Fisherman Training Institute, and second page, use some other. So close it. Now you can able to see the difference. So what is the welcome to Fisherman Training Institute is the first page. Here you can able to see first page, and this is a second page, Fisherman Training Institute, and this is third page. You can able to see it's a welcome. So and see for fourth page, Fisherman Training Institute. So there is a difference between odd and even pages headers. This is how we can able to use different header and footer for first page and odd and even pages. So make the header and footer different in each section of this chapter. If you divide your document into section, you can able to vary the headers and footer so that they display different content for each section. For example, if your document is divided into chapters by using the section breaks, this title you can display the header and footer. Tips: you are unsure whether your document has section, and you can search for them. See if you can use different headers and footer for section. If you are having chapters, you can use it. So how to check either your page is having it or not? So here, go to find and replace, and here, so go to option is there, it's a section, go for it. Yes, you're having section. See next, previous. Yes, so this is how we can able to check either our page is having section it or not. So we can able to use different header and footer for each sections. Make the header and footer different in each sections or tab. So click drop on the status bar, home tab, and find the group. Click to go to click section. Click find next to find the section break in your document. Draft view makes it very easy to see the section breaks in your document. Adding a section break to your document. If your document is not divided into section, you can insert the section break where you want the header and footer to vary. Starting at the beginning of the document, place the cursor at the beginning of the page where you want to start everything, that is varying the headers and footer. On the page layout tab, in the first setup group, click breaks, and then under section break, click next page. Place the cursor at the beginning of the next page where you want to vary the header and footer, such as the first page of a new chapter. On page layout tab, in the page setup group, click breaks, and then under the section break, click next page. Repeat the step 3 and 4 for every section break that you want it in your document. You can use section break to differ, to have vary of header and footer. So here, if you want to use it, go to insert. Here is a breaks. Go for page break. So automatically it will goes to next page. So this is how we can able to differ header and footers. we can able to have different headers and footers. So use the same header and footer across the section and boundaries. So in a document where the header and footer varies by section, you can make the header and footer the same cross section boundaries. Double click the header and footer that you want to preserve across section boundaries. On the header and footer tab, the navigation group, click the section and click the next previous. The Office Word will ask you if you want to delete the header and footer content to the header and footer in the previous section. Click Yes. On Insert tab, the header and footer group, click header and footer, click header and footer or edit footer. Make your changes to header or footer by selecting the text, revising it, or by using the option of Fluent mini toolbar for format the text. So click this. So here is the option. If you want to go to footer, yes, go to next footer and previous one. And if you want to insert footer, yes, you can able to allow it insert. If you want to insert date and time, right here you insert date and time as like this. So that's all. So in this session we have covered how to use different header and footers for first page, odd and even pages. Any doubt regarding this, you please mail me karthik.me.vlr@gmail.com. Thanks for being with this.